বাংলাদেশে সবার পেট ট্যাক্সে রিক্সা চলে, পেট ট্যাক্সে চলে। আমরা সবাই ছিলাম, আজ থাকবো। এক দফা, এক দাবি, সেটা দিলাম, তবে যাবে।
Dear world, this is Shadin Talukdar. My name is Shadin, but I am not Shadin. Shadin means liberation, but I am not a liberation. I am not a Shadin. You can hear, we are protesting the student quota protest in Bangladesh, which are held on every year. We fighted 2018, we fighted 2024 again, but we don't have justice. We need our justice. If I die, I will show it. I will tell my family. If I die, then my family will be showing its family. I will be showing it. I will tell the Al Jazeera. I will tell the world content which is held in every planet. We need our justice. In Bangladesh, we need our justice. The government ruling our belief don't give us our justice. We need to wait to fight the job protest, but government don't give allow to us to fight it. I'm not educated. I am studied National University. I am studied second year of the university. I am the history department student, and I know history is repeated. Every year history repeated. But the government don't teach us. The government don't teach us. We need our justice. If everyone shoot me, if police, if government shoot me, I will give my death. I will be showing. So I need justice. I have no family member in my family who are the firefighter. But right now I am the fighter. Right now I am the quota fighter. We need our justice. Thank you.
রক্ত লাল রক্ত লাল রক্ত লাল